So eWigs NA is back at it again. They sent me another unit, and this is the packaging that it came in. As you can see, it came via UPS. So I did get the wig, some wig caps, well rather one wig cap, and their signature dimming brush. So inside the package, you also get a user guide, and this wig came pretty nice. You have your net, and then you have a little tissue paper just to hold the shape of the wig. And this is the wig straight out of the package. This is a lace front wig, so you do get very minimal parting space, and the wig does have 3 combs in the front, no combs in the back, but it does have adjustable straps. So trying the wig on for the first time, I wasn't that impressed because, I don't know, for some strange reason, they keep sending me, I was just playing around, they keep sending me these wigs that are more for, to me, in my opinion, for Caucasians. This is not, it does not mimic African American hair at all. But you girls are going to see later on how I just, you know, finessed this wig. I'm so sorry, I was listening to music, I was just jamming and just trying out the wig to see exactly what I wanted to do to it. I don't have it adhered to my head because I have another video to do after this one. So I didn't want to adhere it to my head, but you definitely could to get a more realistic look. So here you guys see, I'm just trying to blow the hair out to make it a little more manageable. I did go ahead and put some oil in it just to, it's like a straightening oil and also a heat protector in one. I'll try to leave the link to where I got that from down below in the description box. So I found the front of this wig to be a little too dense for me, so I went in with my tweezers just to thin it out a little more. If you girls are looking for a unit that you don't have to really do much to, then I would not suggest this wig. But if you don't mind, you know, tweaking and making it look like your own, then I definitely would recommend this wig because it's really nice once you figure out what you want to do with it. So here I am just flat ironing it. And what I did to get the hair really straight, as you see right here, is I went in with my hot comb. Yes, ladies, I went old school. I put my hot comb on the fire and I just straightened it out. And I had to do that off camera because, of course, I'm doing that in my kitchen and I don't have my camera set up in the kitchen. So just in case you're wondering how I actually got the unit so straight. So then, as you girls saw, I went in and I plucked a little more because it's just a lot of hair in the front of the hair. And also I went in on the parting space just a little bit and I added some of my foundation powder. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I absolutely love the wig. I did go ahead and cut those really long baby hairs in the front. I love the wig. I usually do not like the wig from eWigs NA when I first get them because they just, like I said earlier, mimic Caucasian hair. But after I, you know, do what I do with it, I end up loving the wig. So if you guys are interested, all of the links will be down below in the description box. So please be sure to check there and let me know what you think of the wig. And on that note, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.